as I mentioned, relative flow has been a huge jump forward. And I just want to talk about a couple of things that we're able to do. The first thing is that over on the left-hand side, you'll notice that we're able to create not only out-of-the-box themes, which we've always been able to do because of our linguistic approach, but we're also able to now create custom themes. So let's say, for example, there are 5 or 6 things that you and your leadership team are extremely focused on tracking. And let's say that what the example that the team have put together is streaming services. So what they've talked about is they've tagged up those individual cancelled shows, cancelled, removal, ending, modify, change. Those things have been identified as something that that customer wants to track on an ongoing basis. They want to see that moving up and down, and they want to see if it's influencing customer satisfaction. So when they remove content like shows, programs, you can probably tell this is a media client. What does that do to CSAT? That's what this customer is attempting to prove. And then over on the right-hand side, you can see that these are some of those custom themes in action. So you've got product fault, delivery issue, retailer issue, refund request. Those are some classics that you might see. And what we're seeing happen is that those are then being put against CSAT and NPS. So when we see a spike in CSAT, is it because any of those key themes, or is it something else which we can surface? Or when you see a drop in CSAT or NPS, is it because of any of those issues? And so it's not only us helping you surface what you didn't already know, it's us also helping you track the things that you're really focused on tracking and improving. So it's both sides of that coin. Next slide, please. So again, slightly more generally, you've got this text source, and I've mentioned a few of them. Now, we're this analysis engine, which can then either lead straight into reporting, or it can also allow you to start to store and index that data and then dig into it in a little bit more detail. So one thing I haven't mentioned, for example, let's say that you see between November and December, you see CSAT just go through the roof. It's been an incredible month for your customer satisfaction. You then want to find out why. You understand it's due to this incredible training program you've just put in across your contact centers. You can then, in relative insight, then dig into that in a little bit more detail. You want to find out exactly what's going on. You want to be provided with some example quotations. You want to be provided with a little bit more supportive information so that you can take that and do reporting or take that to stakeholders. And so that's what a relative insight allows you to do in our Explore tool. You can dig even deeper into that data.